for example, legalizing marijuana.
Illinois' new governor-elect is already moving to deliver on one huge campaign promise, pushing state lawmakers to allow adults to possess and use cannabis.
He says going green, so to speak, could draw $700 million or more in greenback tax dollars. Our political editor Mike Flannery spoke with J.B. Pritzker and has more.
After thanking voters at a transit stop, the governor-elect talked about Illinois government's most pressing problem, its chronic addiction to spending more than it has.
We're going to focus on efficiencies in state government. We're going to focus on, the opportunity to bring revenue to the state, like, for example, legalizing marijuana.
Treating cannabis more or less like alcohol has already been the subject of a series of public hearings. Proposed legislation is already pending in the General Assembly. Lawmakers must approve it here, unlike in Michigan, where a large majority of voters just legalized cannabis in a referendum.
We have an opportunity here in Illinois to bring $700 million of revenue to the state, to create jobs across the state, production facilities, dispensaries.
Also on the agenda, expunging arrest and conviction records for previous marijuana-related crimes.
In addition to looking at the criminal records and making sure that those could be freed up upon legalizing recreational cannabis. The other thing that we've also looked at is making sure that those same communities that have been disproportionately affected by the war on drugs can also have economic opportunities in this industry.
In addition to pot, the governor-elect wants to tap another new revenue source, betting on professional sports. Pritzker says he'd like to move quickly, but the National Football League, among others, may try to block him unless they're cut in for a piece of the action.